Ranjangaon is a village located at a distance of about 50 km from Pune. Located there is the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation industrial area and a shrine to Mahaganapati. The MIDC in Ranjangoan is a five-star industrial area, in which several manufacturing companies including LG, Whirlpool, Carraro, Fiat, Bombay Dyeing, Maccaferri, Beakaert etc. are based. The Mahaganapati is considered to be one of the Ashtavinayaka shrines of Maharashtra, celebrating 8 instances of legends related to Ganesha.Mahaganapati at Ranjangaon is believed to have come to the aid of Shiva in destroying the citadels of the demon Tripurasura. According to history, the temple was built between 9th and 10th century. Madhavrao Peshwa made a room in the basement of the temple to keep the idol of the Lord Ganesh.